and also the scrap center.
Jowai local MLA Srwp Mickey Shilla yesterday distributed funds under the Special Rural Work Programme Srwp for 2019-2020 for Jowai urban area. A total amount of rupees 40 lakhs was given to the beneficiaries, with an amount of rupees 10 lakhs each to 406 beneficiaries to start their business. The function was held at Indoor Hall Dorbar Shnong Latlabo, which was chaired by nominated MDC JHDC Oktomewot Lamin. Addressing the function, Srwp Mickey Shilla informed that there were plans to distribute funds since last month but got delayed due to the rain. In yet another drug bust,